In today's video, I'll be looking at between over 2 and under 7. I know most of you trade these markets. Which one should you trade? Which one is most preferable? Again, this is exactly what I'm looking at in this video. As I start, guys, you're very welcome to DerivNavigatorAcademy, where we have the best deriv strategies in the world. Now, let us start, guys. Now, most of us trade over 2 and under 7, okay? As I told you guys, when most people ask me which market should I start, I usually either prefer over 1 under 8 or over 2 under 7 or over 3 under 6, and for these particular reasons. Now, but let me start off all with over 2 and under 7. Now, with over 2 and under 7, when it comes to loss recovery, you only need a martingale of 2 or 3, but basically 3. All right. So you can see it is very, what can I say, sustainable. Okay. It will not put you under a lot of stress or pressure when it comes to recovery. Okay. So it is very, very, very doable. But as I said, guys, for you to become profitable, you have to do it in the right way, because even if it is profitable, even if the recovery is easy, if you do it wrongly, believe me, you will get out with a loss. Okay. So between the two, let us all start by looking at these facts. Okay. Over 2 and under 7 are very beginner friendly. Okay. So whatever amount you have, whatever capital you have, these are markets you can feel free to start with, both manually and with a bot. You are free to trade these markets. The profitability is nice. If you do it in the right way with the strategies I've said in the video, in the channel, you'll be able to be okay. Okay, I've made a lot of videos about over under, so please ensure you go check them out. Just go to the channel, select playlist, and look for the playlist called over under. Okay, so these are markets. These are two markets that, if you do it in the right way, they can make you very profitable. Okay, but most people do it in the wrong way, and that is why they incur losses. But first of all, which market should you trade? Which market is nice, guys? Under 7. Why is under 7 superior? Let us look at this. Okay, again, I'm selecting a random volatility. If I come here and select over 2, you can see the probability of over 2 being profitable is 72.1, which is amazing. Okay, but let us go to under 7. Under 7 is 80.2. Now let me go to another volatility so that you can be able to see this for yourself. If I come to 101S, again, this is a random third-party website. You can use any third-party website of your choice, but I prefer this one for my own, for the analysis tool, because the analysis tool is very, it has a very simple interface, so you can use it. But for the analysis tool, but only trade on Deriv.com. Okay. All right. Again, if I come here and select over 2, you can see over 2 has a profitability ratio of 69.1. But if we come to under 7, and believe me, guys, these markets are basically the same. Basically the profitability ratio of over 2 and under 7 is the same. The profit that you will get from trading over 2 and the profit you will get from trading under 7, it is the same. The principles for over 2 and under 7 when it comes to strategies, it is basically almost the same. Okay, but you'll find that one market is usually weaker than the other most of the times. Okay, I can even go to another volatility so that you see this for yourself. Now, if I come to 51S, you can see 51S over 2, 70.4. Under 7, 80.2. Okay, so you can see it is consistent throughout all volatility. So guys, if you like trading these two markets and you have been trading over 2 and you're encountering some losses, and you're wondering what the heck is going on, go check out under 7. Try it out. Go to the channel, go check out our under 7 videos. Okay, and then come and try and trade under 7. This market will surprise you. The under 7 market is more superior to an over 2, and please go test it out in your demo accounts and just see it for yourself, whether manually or with a bot, but especially with bots, go check it out. Okay, and guys, be very careful. Whatever capital you have, even if it is a $1 million US capital, please ensure you use proper risk management using the formula I taught you guys. When it comes to stake, use 2% of your account, between 2 to 5% of your account as stake, and then when it comes to profits, 20% of your account should be the profit you target, and in case your account suffers a loss of 20%, also stop trading. Okay, but please be disciplined. Even if you reach a target profit and you see the market is still beautiful, do not continue trading. Discipline is what you will survive, because over trading and revenge trading have killed a lot of accounts, and this is because people do not know when to stop. Please ensure you are disciplined when trading. Sometimes you will reach your target profit and you will still see the market is still doing well, but please just leave and come back the next day. Okay, targeting 20% really sustainable, and you'll be able to grow your account consistently to whatever level you want it to reach. Okay, yeah, guys, please check out this, go test it out in your demo account, and please give me feedback. And if you have any question, please put it down in the comment section. I will answer you. Guys, if you want to see this and more, please ensure you subscribe and like and share if this video has interested you, and if you know someone who trades in Deriv, so that they are aware of this. Okay, Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please ensure you join our live streams at 4 p.m. East African time so that you are able to join our amazing community. Okay. Apart from that, guys, if you have any query on a personal level about Deriv, be it bots, be it classes, be it live trading sessions, and so on, please, all WhatsApp numbers in the description. Feel free to contact me at any time. Apart from that, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Keep trading, guys. Keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.